Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through how to turn on photo tag notifications on the X, or Twitter, app for PC, following the latest update. If you've been missing alerts when someone tags you in a photo, this quick guide will fix that in less than a minute. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and that your home timeline is visible. From here, look at the left-hand side menu. You'll see several options listed vertically: Home, Explore, Notifications, and more. Click on Notifications. Once inside, take a look at the top right corner or near the upper section of the page for a small gear or settings icon. Click on that to open your notification settings. Next, you'll see a few different categories: Preferences, Filters, and Push Notifications. Choose Preferences to continue. Inside Preferences, you'll find a subsection for push notifications. This is where you control what alerts X sends you while you're active or away from the app. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Related to You and Your Posts. This area manages notifications about activities directly connected to your account. Things like mentions, replies, reposts, and photo tags. Find photo tags under this section and make sure the box or toggle next to it is turned on. Once this option is enabled, you'll start receiving notifications anytime another user tags you in a photo on X. That's all there is to it. You've just turned on photo tag notifications through the new X update for PC. From now on, you won't miss a single tag or mention in photos again. It's a small tweak, but it makes staying connected on the platform a whole lot easier. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.